In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram Music not showing all the songs. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But a lot of the time, this isn't a glitch. It's actually because of two main things. Firstly, your account type and your region, as well as those licensing rules. So I'm going to walk you through the steps that usually do unlock more music. First things first, go ahead and switch back to a personal account. You can do this by opening up Instagram, clicking on your profile icon in the bottom right, and then selecting those three lines up in the top right. Then from here, scroll down, and what you're looking for is the account type and tools section, specifically something like a creator tool and control. Go ahead and select this, and then switch back to a personal account. Business and creator accounts often do have music limitations because of licensing, and personal accounts do get access to the full consumer music library. That single change fixes it for most people. If it's still not working for you, what I would do is actually open up your phone settings and go ahead and scroll down and select general. And from here, go ahead and find the VPN and device management section right here. Open this up, and if there is a VPN on, go ahead and turn it off. Your song library is based on where Instagram thinks you are, so if your VPN says you're in another country, a lot of tracks won't show. And if certain songs still aren't available, this is because of licensing, and you can actually import music manually through something like Pixabay or CapCut. But that is it. Make sure you switch to that personal account and turn off any VPNs, and your music library should open up. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.